I like your shoes. I like your shoes. Can I have some juice? Can I have some juice? I want to go outside. I want to go outside. It's my favorite toy. It's my favorite toy. Please help me. Please help me. I am so happy to see you. I am so happy to see you. Let's play together. Let's play together. I like my hat. I like my hat. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. Can you open this for me? Can you open this for me? I want to wear my new shirt. I want to wear my new shirt. Let's build a tower. Let's build a tower. I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom. I am having so much fun. I am having so much fun. Please pass the ball. Please pass the ball. I can do it myself. I can do it myself. Let's race to the tree. Let's race to the tree. I want to draw a picture. I want to draw a picture. I need a tissue. I need a tissue. It's so windy today. It's so windy today. Can you zip my jacket? Can you zip my jacket? I love going to the park. I love going to the park. Let's make a puzzle. Let's make a puzzle. I want to play with my doll. I want to play with my doll. Please share with me. Please share with me. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. I am going to win. I am going to win. I need to wash my hands. I need to wash my hands. I love sunny days. I love sunny days. Please hand me that. Please hand me that. It's too loud. It's too loud. I want to try. I want to try. I am so excited for tomorrow. I am so excited for tomorrow. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? I need a band-aid. I need a band-aid. I am feeling better now. I am feeling better now. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. I am finished with my food. I am finished with my food. Can we play hide and seek? Can we play hide and seek? I am ready for a story. I am ready for a story. Please come with me. Please come with me. I want to watch cartoons. I want to watch cartoons. I am so excited. I am so excited. Let's paint together. Let's paint together. I am so sleepy. I am so sleepy. Please comb my hair. Please comb my hair. I love drawing animals. I love drawing animals. I want to try on my new shoes. I want to try on my new shoes. It's time to get dressed. It's time to get dressed. I am going to jump. I am going to jump. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. I want to ride my skateboard. I want to ride my skateboard. Please put on your coat. Please put on your coat. I am so glad you are here. I am so glad you are here. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. Can I try this? Can I try this? Let's go on a walk. Let's go on a walk. I need to tie my hair. I need to tie my hair. I am having a great day. I am having a great day. Please turn down the volume. Please turn down the volume. I want to read my new book. I want to read my new book. It's so cold outside. It's so cold outside. I am ready to sleep. I am ready to sleep. Let's bake some cookies. Let's bake some cookies. I need my backpack. I need my backpack. I am so excited to learn. I am so excited to learn. Please close the door. Please close the door. I want to listen to music. I want to listen to music. I am going to run fast. I am going to run fast. Let's make some crafts. Let's make some crafts. I am feeling a bit tired. I am feeling a bit tired. Please help me find it. Please help me find it. I love this game. I love this game. I am so excited for the weekend. I am so excited for the weekend. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. I need to pack my lunch. I need to pack my lunch. Please watch me. Please watch me. I want to try something new. I want to try something new. It's almost time to go. It's almost time to go. Let's write a story. Let's write a story. I am ready for a nap. I am ready for a nap. Please put away your toys. Please put away your toys. I want to try this puzzle. I want to try this puzzle. I am feeling a bit cold. I am feeling a bit cold. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. I am going to play outside. I am going to play outside. I need my favorite blanket. I need my favorite blanket. I am so happy. It's sunny. I am so happy. It's sunny. Let's make a fort. Let's make a fort. I want to play with my trucks. I want to play with my trucks. I am ready to eat. I am ready to eat. Please tie my hair. Please tie my hair. I am going to draw a rainbow. I am going to draw a rainbow. Let's have a race. Let's have a race. I am feeling tired now. I am feeling tired now. Please hand me my book. Please hand me my book. I want to jump in the puddles. I want to jump in the puddles. I am going to build a castle. I am going to build a castle. I need to brush my hair. I need to brush my hair. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.